Welcome to Ichalkaranji, a city often referred to as the Manchester of Maharashtra. Its renowned textile industry hums with activity, a testament to the city's industrious spirit. But beyond the urban landscape lies a world of remarkable beauty, a tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Join us now as we venture beyond the city limits and discover the hidden gems that make Ichalkaranji a paradise for nature enthusiasts.
Just a short distance from the bustling city, a mere 30 kilometers to be precise, we find ourselves at the edge of the Radhanagari Dam and Sanctuary. Here, the air is alive with the sound of nature. The dam itself, a marvel of engineering, holds back a shimmering expanse of water, a lifeline for the surrounding ecosystem. The sanctuary, a haven for biodiversity, unfolds around the reservoir. Lush forests, a vibrant tapestry of green, cloak the hillsides. These woodlands are home to an array of creatures, their lives interwoven with the rhythm of the forest. Keep a watchful eye out for the elusive leopard, a phantom of the undergrowth, its sleek coat blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. Langur monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees while vibrant birdlife adds a chorus of song to the air. This is a place where one can truly reconnect with nature, to breathe in the fresh air, and immerse oneself in the tranquility of the wild. A haven for nature enthusiasts, Radhanagari offers a welcome respite from the city's clamor. Hiking trails wind their way through the forest, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, the sanctuary takes on an ethereal beauty. The day may be drawing to a close, but the memories forged in this natural wonderland will last a lifetime.
Our journey takes us now to Panhala Fort, a majestic sentinel perched atop a hill, its ramparts echoing with tales of a bygone era. Just 45 kilometers from Ichalkaranji, Panhala offers a captivating blend of history and natural splendor. As we ascend the winding road towards the fort, the air grows perceptibly cooler, a welcome respite from the heat of the plains. The views from the summit are simply breathtaking, stretching out over a vast expanse of valleys and hills, painted in hues of green and gold. The fort itself is a testament to the architectural prowess of a bygone era. Its massive walls, weathered by centuries of wind and rain, stand as silent guardians, protecting the secrets within. Explore the intricate carvings that adorn its gateways, each one a work of art, telling a story of its own. Walk the ramparts, imagining the scenes that played out here centuries ago, the clash of swords, the thunder of hooves. But Panhala is more than just a historical relic. It's a place where nature and history intertwine, creating an atmosphere of unique charm. Stroll through the fort's gardens, a splash of color against the ancient stone, and breathe in the fragrance of wildflowers carried on the breeze. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valley, find a quiet spot and let the silence wash over you. Here, amidst the whispers of history and the beauty of nature, you'll find a sense of peace that's hard to come by elsewhere.
Our exploration of Ichalkaranji's natural treasures leads us now to a hidden gem, a place of tranquility and quiet beauty, Bogan Lake. Tucked away amidst a swathe of verdant greenery, the lake lies like a mirror reflecting the sky, a sanctuary for both wildlife and those seeking solace in nature's embrace. As you approach the lake, the sounds of the city fade into the distance, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the melodic calls of birds. The air is fresh and clean, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and damp earth. Take a moment to simply breathe and absorb the serenity of this special place. The lake itself is a haven for bird life. Keep a watchful eye on the reeds at the water's edge, where shy waterbirds make their home. Kingfishers, with their dazzling plumage, flash like jewels as they dart across the water, while graceful herons stand motionless, patiently waiting for their next meal. Overhead, birds of prey circle gracefully, their keen eyesight scanning the landscape below. Bogan Lake is a paradise for birdwatchers, but even if you're not an avid birder, you're sure to be enchanted by the sheer variety and beauty of the avian life that graces this tranquil spot. Take a leisurely stroll around the lake, or simply find a comfortable spot on the shore and lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. As the sun sets, painting the sky in a riot of colors, casting shimmering reflections on the water's surface, you'll understand why Bogan Lake holds a special place in the hearts of those who know it.
Our journey now takes us to Gaganbavda, a hill station nestled amidst the majestic Sahyadri mountain range, a mere 40 kilometers from the heart of Ichalkaranji. Here, At an elevation that allows you to breathe in the crisp mountain air, you'll discover a world of panoramic vistas and cool, invigorating breezes. Gaganbavda is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on a trek through dense forests, where sunlight filters through the canopy, creating a mosaic of light and shadow. The trails wind their way up to viewpoints that offer breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding valleys and peaks. Look out over a sea of green, where the slopes of the Sahyadris rise and fall like waves, their peaks often shrouded in mist, lending an air of mystery to the landscape. The air here is alive with the sound of nature. Listen closely, and you might hear the call of a wild bird, the rustling of leaves as a small creature scurries through the undergrowth, or the gentle murmur of a mountain stream cascading over rocks. Gaganbavda is also home to ancient temples, their weathered stones whispering tales of a bygone era. Pay a visit to these spiritual havens, soak up the peaceful atmosphere, and marvel at the intricate carvings that adorn their walls. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the valleys, find a quiet spot and witness a spectacle of nature that will stay with you long after you've left.
Our exploration of Ichalkaranji's natural wonders wouldn't be complete without venturing into the heart of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biodiversity. These ancient mountains, often shrouded in mist and cloaked in emerald green forests, are a treasure trove of natural wonders. The Sahyadri Range, as the Western Ghats are known in Maharashtra, forms a formidable barrier separating the Deccan Plateau from the Konkan coast. This dramatic topography has resulted in a wealth of microclimates and habitats, supporting an astonishing array of flora and fauna. Trek through dense forests, where sunlight struggles to penetrate the thick canopy, creating an ethereal gloom. Here, amidst the tangled undergrowth, you might be lucky enough to spot some of the elusive creatures that call these mountains home. The Western Ghats are a haven for endemic species, found nowhere else on Earth. Keep a watchful eye out for the Malabar giant squirrel, its brightly colored fur a striking contrast to the green foliage. Listen for the calls of exotic birds, their songs echoing through the trees. The mountains are also crisscrossed by a network of rivers and streams, their waters cascading down rocky slopes in a series of waterfalls and rapids. These waterways are not only a source of life for the surrounding forests, but also add to the scenic beauty of the region.
Our journey concludes amidst the tranquil landscapes of Borgaon and Rajapur, 2 rural enclaves that offer a glimpse into the slower pace of life that exists just beyond Ichalkaranji's urban edges. Here, surrounded by rolling hills, verdant fields and sleepy villages, you'll find a sense of peace that's hard to come by in the city. Borgaon, with its sprawling farmlands and traditional homesteads, is a photographer's delight. Capture the beauty of rural life as farmers tend to their fields. Their brightly colored saris a stark contrast to the green of the crops. The air here is filled with the sounds of nature, the lowing of cattle, the chirping of crickets, and the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves of banyan trees that stand like silent sentinels, their branches offering shade to weary travelers. In Rajapur, time seems to move at an even slower pace. Stroll through the village, observing the daily rhythms of life as villagers go about their day. Children play in the streets, their laughter echoing through the air, while elders gather under the shade of trees, sharing stories and wisdom passed down through generations. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the landscape, find a quiet spot and soak up the beauty of your surroundings. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, reflecting off the still waters of village ponds.
As we've seen, Ichalkaranji is more than just an industrial hub. It's a gateway to a world of natural beauty. From the lush forests and serene lakes to historic forts and breathtaking mountain vistas, there's something here for every nature lover. So next time you find yourself in Maharashtra, be sure to venture beyond the city limits and discover the hidden gems that await. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Ichalkaranji's natural wonders are sure to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Plan your visit today and experience the magic of Ichalkaranji's natural beauty for yourself.